Everyone knows moussaka with potatoes. Most people know it with eggplant. But in the old villages, when summer ended and the peppers were roasted by the hundreds, they made this one. Pepper moussaka, the forgotten version. One onion chopped fine into hot olive oil, 3 minutes. "400 grams of minced meat. Break it apart, let it brown properly, 10 minutes. Vegetable seasoning, black pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic at the end, so the garlic stays loud. While that cooks, chop a handful of parsley. Grate 100 grams of cheese and whisk 3 eggs with 200 grams of sour cream. The parsley goes in there too. This will become the golden crust. Now we build. Olive oil in the pan. Then the first layer. 7 whole roasted peppers laid flat like shingles. All the meat spread edge to edge. The cheese over that. Then 7 more peppers on top, glossy side up. And the pour, every corner covered. The cream finds its own way down through the layers. "30 minutes at 200 degrees. The crust puffs, browns, and cracks just slightly. Underneath, sweet smoky peppers, savory meat, melted cheese. The red juice that pools around each slice, the old cooks called that the best part. Bread goes there. If you've only ever had potato moussaka, this is the one to try next. Which version did your family make? Potato, eggplant, or peppers? I'm counting votes in the comments.